Right, we've got the P4 International A Level, October 2024. It's an implicit differentiation question. We've got X and Y all over the place, with a K on the right hand side. I've got to find dy by dx in terms of X and Y, and there's a point P where the normal to the curve at the point P is the line Y equals X. I've got to find the value K. So here we go. So differentiating first, all in terms of X. Remember, we've got to do 3y squared. We've got to sort of pretend it's X, so it's 3y squared, but we need to multiply by dy by dx. Really, because of the chain rules, we've got something cubed becomes 3 lots of the something squared multiplied by the something differentiated. The X squared's all right. Then we've got to use the product rule, squared y. So if we differentiate the 4x squared and multiply by y, we get 8xy. And then if we keep the 4x squared and multiply by the y differentiated, it's 4x squared dy by dx. That's equal to 0, of course, because k is just a constant, it says. Rearranging it, I want to isolate the dy by dx's. So the dy by dx terms, I'll keep on one side and take it out as a factor. And then put the other two terms on the other side. And then divide by that factor to isolate the dy by dx. In part B, like I say, we've got the normal of the curve, we've got equation y equals x at P. So we know that at P, the dy by dx must be equal to -1, sort of negative reciprocal, perpendicular to y equals x, which we've got gradient 1. And we also know that y is equal to x at P. Using that information, the y equals x, first of all, we change those y's in the dy by dx into more x's. So we'll have 2x minus 8x times x on the top, and then 3 times x squared plus 4x squared on the bottom. And that's got to be equal to -1. I can rearrange this, so multiply by that denominator, which is just 7x squared. And then take it all over the right hand side, I get 8x squared minus 2x equals 0. So either x is 0 or 2. It can't be 0 because that was at the origin. So the x value at P must be equal to 2. So y is equal to 2 as well. And then we can sub that back into the original equation of the curve to find out what the k is. So y cubed minus x squared. And then 4 squared times y, and the x and y, both 2's, gives us k. And when I work it out, I get k is equal to 36. Subscribe and request a solution.